Today we'll look at how to create an illusion like this in Blender. So go to Blender, delete the lamp and delete the cube. Go to add mesh torus. Make this 48, we get a good smooth torus, and then make this 0.8. The one that I made, I used 0.9. We'll see how it looks when you make it 0.8. Okay. Go to the top view, select the camera, place it, go to 1 and move it inside. So we'll go to camera view, hit the N key, view, camera to view. And then position your camera so you can see the middle part of the torus. Go to the camera and reduce the camera focal length to something like 15. Go to object, shade smooth. Select the object first, object, shade smooth. For the camera we will need depth of field, so we'll go to add, empty, arrow. Okay, the arrow will be right in the middle where we want it. So select the camera, go to depth of field, select the empty, and depth of field maybe 0.1 or something. Okay, you have a nice depth of field. You can even go to 0.05 to add more. Depth of field 0.01 to get more depth of field. Anyway, texture map, add a new material, add an image map, and open the texture that you want to use, which is the stripes. Okay, I'm going to go to camera and remove the depth of field for now. So you'll see that you have the texture which is round and round. Now we have to animate the torus. So this is how the torus will be animated. So you can just type hash frame. Okay, and when you play it, it's going very fast. So you go divided by 15. Then you rewind it. Now you're getting this. Now what we do is we distort by going to shading, select this, and hopefully you have the Node Wrangler plugin so that you can use Ctrl T. Otherwise go to edit, preferences, search for node and turn on Node Wrangler. Then select the image only and hit Ctrl T to get this. Now go to the camera view and we need to rotate the Z to distort our vision. Now when you do this, you have to try and match these. Okay, so 88.25. Alright, so it's matching fine. It's not matching on the other side. So here it has to match also. So what we'll do is we'll change this to 3D view. And then we'll make this 0. So you can see that this is matching. Then you'll go at this and try to match this. So we'll try to see if changing this helps. So we'll try to get another number. Okay, so 47.5 seems to be working fine, and here okay, so in my case 47.3 for the rotation and 1.088 for the scale worked well for this simulation to work. Okay, so once I go to layout, you get the simulation. Okay, and then you can play with the material properties to get the look that you're looking for. Okay, so you can add metallic or reduce the roughness. You can go to the source light and change the color of the light. Add bloom if you want. You can bring in the depth of field, reduce the amount of depth of field, and you have a cool looking illusion. Okay. This roughness is not looking that good, so I'll bring that up. Okay, and you have the illusion. That's about it. Thank you very much.